And welcome back to Shaving Down Under. And we got a parcel today from France. I know what's in it. I'm quite excited, to be honest with you. So let's get this underway. That felt like it was going to give. Let's put the lock on that. Hopefully this is the last cut. Feels like it. Oh yeah. This is from Thomas, who has Darwin Shaving. And you can look them up on Etsy or on their website. So it's a little bit of a present. Oh, everyone could do with a lolly. Or candy, as the Americans will say. Aussies, it's lolly. Can't wait to get into that. Thank you, Thomas. I will enjoy. So here you go. That might have all the details. There we go. www.darwinshaving.com. I recommend you go have a nose around. It is in French, but if you look up the top right hand corner of the web page, you'll see the English flag, the British flag. Just click on that and it comes up as English. Merci beaucoup. Oh, excellent. This will get plenty of views. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you very much. I'll just move that out of the way. Let's go. Oh, I thought this was going to be the other way around. Let's go with this one. This is a bit of a find. It was sold in Europe, and I had it sent to Thomas because we're all part of a shaving group. A buyers group. So it's L'Auto. So this is a Gillette. I'll have a look inside. Let's just balance you up there. Here is the razor. Ooh, it's got a blade in it. Hate how people leave blades in these things. But then again, I also look at it and think, well, how does this undo? There we go. I can safely dispose of it instead of them maybe just throwing it into their rubbish bin where it is dangerous. Eek, that's crusty. Well, that's going to have to get the big clean up. I'm pretty sure this is silver. And here we go, and there's some, what have we got there? Isn't that interesting? No idea what that's about. Looks like a base plate, doesn't it? Any info is good info, people. Don't be shy, please leave a comment. And another used blade. Well, I can't wait to get this one home and clean it up to the best of my abilities. Rightio. So, this is the other reason why I suggest you should go to the Darwin Shaving website, especially if you're after a shaving brush. A very good shaving brush. How cool does that look? The fittest survives. Almost ashamed to undo it. Oh, there it is. Oh, you beauty. Look at that, people. That is magnificent. So the story is, the knot is handmade. This is Badger. It's a high mountain, I think, can't top of my head, but it's handmade to fit this handle. This is resin. This part here, the black and white, is resin. And this part here is actually at least 100 years old. Now that's ceramic or porcelain. I can't remember which one now. And Thomas got hold of about I can't remember how many he got hold, but he got hold of quite a few. These were, the handle part was made in England, and he was able to get hold of them. And then he joined up with other artisans, and one artisan made this. Most of them, this part here is made of wood, but I really like this one, so I went for it. So that's resin. And then another artisan handmade the knots to put inside. So this knot is specifically made for that hole. And yeah, it's just a magnificent brush with a lot of surprising history behind it. Oh, this nice weight in it. Oh, it's magnificent. I can't wait to use this. I'll have to use this one. I don't know how sparingly or whatever, but if you go onto Darwin shaving site, as I said, click on it on the English sign or the flag, the British flag. So it'll come up in English, go into the Darwin razor side of it, and then into the Badger brush, click on that, and then click on Mr. Darcy. And this is the Mr. Darcy range of brushes. Not cheap, but high quality with some providence behind it. Oh, I'm really happy, people. Really happy. So there's still at least a dozen or so of them for sale. And if you're interested, have a look at them, pick one out. Thomas is excellent operator, excellent businessman, and he loves his shaving. He's a player in the scene. Okay, people, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.